Good evening. I hope you guys feel great. Right now, I'm here to provide my pre-analysis for London and New York. I want to let you guys know that I may not have any opportunities during New York because there's important news coming out at 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m., which means that just like today, starting at 10 a.m. is is when I'll be on the lookout for potential opportunities. By the way, I wanted to mention that after the section closed, the opportunity that I had my eye on was this one, which at the end it happened, but it was so late. If I had entered this trade, it would have ended up as a break even, but since I didn't take it, I'll simply delete the trade and focus on the next step. But yeah, at the end overall, my pre-analysis for the day was good because I was expecting buys from here. The buy order showed up and it worked. And in New York, the second buy order that showed up ended up like as a break even pretty much. So yeah. Okay. Right now we are in a range. My way of looking for opportunities changed a bit. From now on, I'm gonna focus on finding opportunities from the edges only. Okay, I draw something here so you guys can understand. So when the price is consolidating or ranging like this, like it's doing it now overall, I focus on taking opportunities from the edges. Taking, as I said before, I like to sell low and sell high and buy low, right? So when the price it is in a range structure, I focus on taking buys from here and sells from the top, right? I don't take anything. I don't take anything uh, under or above the 50%. I just take entries edge to edge. All right, so I'm gonna go to a 30-minute time frame so you guys can see the range. This is overall the range. The price is ranging is around, the price is ranging around here. So I'm gonna be taking entries strictly from the edges now. Okay, so we may see an opportunity showing for London around here. It's possible even during New York if the price wait for me, but at the end the price does whatever it wants and we take whatever it allows us to. Never forget that. So it's very early. We may see that opportunity during London, most likely, or maybe you guys will see this opportunity here during London, or maybe during New York. Maybe London is gonna provide this entry, and maybe the news will send the price back down to probably provide this opportunity here. Who knows? Who knows? But let's say, let's say, let's say that the price at the end, because of whatever London does and in the news, let's say that the price ended up going back down like this. If the price does that, most likely I won't see any opportunities at all because I'm gonna be focusing on finding, maybe a 50% mitigation or maybe this initiation phase structure. I would if there is a initiation phase, I'm gonna try to get involved like this. As I always explain, I always look for a range initiation, mitigation, continuation. So it's gonna depend on whatever the price and how it wanna, keeps going down pretty much. And let's say if London if London and New York, let's say London and plus the news, send the price back up here, I'm gonna be focused on finding sales. Maybe after a price take out all this liquidity here, and after seeing a good rejection, the sell order showing, maybe I would get involved from up here. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking buys like this, sells from up here, and possible sells from down here. But this may happen tomorrow, but most likely it won't. Maybe if the price keeps going down, most likely we are gonna see that setup forming on Friday. But unfortunately, if it does, I won't be able to take it because I don't trade in the first Friday of the month because it is a non-farm payrolls and the price moves like crazy. If I think it's called NFP. So yeah, on Friday I won't trade at all. So my last day of trading is tomorrow. It's gonna be difficult to get involved in any trades because of the news, but this is pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. I hope this information can help you, or maybe it may improve. It may help you guys to take better decisions. Of course, it depends on the strategy. You don't have to change anything from your strategy if it already works. But this is, I'm gonna be looking for all of this. Everything that I have marked here, all these setups here, I'm gonna be looking for these scenarios to happen. But at the end, the price does whatever it wants. Maybe let's say maybe this one is gonna show up and it's gonna end up like a loss. Maybe this one is gonna show up and it's gonna end up like a loss. And maybe this one is gonna show up and it's gonna work, or maybe it won't. At the end, it does whatever it wants. I just have to be consistent with my entries and my strategy. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful night, rest, and wish you luck for London section if you trade it, or if New York gives something for you, I wish you the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay.